sorry. Can you see everybody here now? We don't need to see too much, but just, it's okay if there's people around, you know? That makes it kind of cool. What do you say?
He's the only guy that came black.
Oh, black geek, beautiful. Is it recording? Yes, good. So it's December 31st.
Yes, it is.
And we're in Bangkok, Thailand. Q23 Academy. It's nighttime. It's Certified Training Center in Bangkok, Thailand. It's 9 o'clock at night, almost 9 p.m. And the new year is not a big deal to me. I'm gonna be sleeping at 11 p.m. and I'm gonna sleep through the new year. And tomorrow is a special day for so many people because they can start over. So when it comes to starting, even though you can start over at any day, any moment, you can start over next week, you know, on Tuesday or next week on Saturday. Whatever day you want, you can have a fresh start. But in terms of a fresh start, a new approach for 2020, because it's fun to say that, what is the approach? What's the mindset that we take into the new year with our jiu-jitsu? And if you ask me, it's no matter where you land, whatever position you land in, on the mat and in life, but let's just say on the mat for now, when you land in the bottom of the side mount, top of the mount, top of guard, wherever you land, before you do anything, just be there and defend the person's attacks or control them and prevent their escape attempts. So defend and control no matter where you land. That's it. Now, and I'm saying this because most people do what? They defend and control for like 3, 5, 7 seconds. And then they quickly begin to do what? Attempt to escape or attack. And does this work out sometimes? The answer is yes. But my belief is that if you spend a little more time defending, watching, awareness, controlling, you will actually be given more and more opportunities. You'll be presented with more opportunities to escape and to submit your training partner than ever before. Do you agree? Now, every single person that is amazing at jiu-jitsu today, there are people, I roll with people who are like 17, 19 years old, purple belts, amazing. They train for 7 years, 10 years, and I'm like, wow, this person is so good, so athletic, so intelligent, just natural, reflexive, whatever it is. I'm very impressed by so many people all around the world. And there are athletes today that are amazing. You watch them compete, 2 athletes, it looks like nothing's happening because they're both so good. But when you have experience, you see there's a lot of amazingness happen. And we see these athletes and it's very exciting, it's inspiring to watch them, and we want to be like them to some degree. So we watch these rolls and we see them exploding, technically exploding and passing guards and catching submissions and escaping positions. And we want to do that. Now, they are the best of the best and they're able to do these things for many reasons. 1, because of the time and dedication that they put into jiu-jitsu. And 2, because of the stage at their lives that they're at. They're 23 years old, 27 years old. They're not 47 years old. So their physical attributes combined with their age and the hard work that they put in, the time and the training, the hours, allows them to perform to that level. And we love that and respect that. And some of you might be at that phase of your lives where you're performing. You're go, 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 go. You're doing very exciting things most of the time. Or what is perceived to be exciting, such as what? Amazing sweeps and guard passes and submissions. And those things are beautiful. It's part of jiu-jitsu. Now, there will be a time in everybody's life, doesn't matter who you are, you can be the best grappler in the world today in the sportive realm, or a 19-year-old kid in Thailand that nobody knows about, but he's amazing and never really competes, but still outperforms everybody. There will be a time in everybody's lives where they need to do what? They need to shift how they do jiu-jitsu. And what I'm talking about, this ability to land in a position and watch and defend and control and wait, that is what you're gonna have to do at some time in your life. Guaranteed. And it's guaranteed if you want to be around jiu-jitsu for a long time. I'm talking 20, 30 plus years, which I think all of us want to do, correct? Raise your hands. Who wants to be around it? You want to be, what do you want to be around? You want to be around the energy. You want to be around, we're here, New Year's Eve in Thailand. You want to be around the sweat, the smells, the friction, the mat burn, the conversation, the camaraderie. To be around this forever, we have to almost invest in this different way of rolling 1 day a week, 2 days a week, 3 days a week, where we do what? More defending, more awareness, more control. We slow things down because then when the time comes where we really need it, we have it. We have it. I run into people sometimes at the grocery store, in the street, they say, man, I can't train anymore, I hurt my elbow, plus I'm getting old, I'm 43 years old, I know, it's just, I got older and I have a hurt elbow. And I look at that person and I say, wow, you have no idea that there's another way to do jiu-jitsu. There's another way. And that other way, it is the jiu-jitsu way. It's the jiu-jitsu way of doing jiu-jitsu. Now, is what people are doing today in terms of very forward, go, competitive, not jiu-jitsu? No, it is jiu-jitsu. It's just the not so jiu-jitsu way of doing jiu-jitsu. Right? It's the 50% way of doing jiu-jitsu. It's the less sustainable way. It's beautiful and it's fun, but it just doesn't, it's not gonna take you as far. Right? Think about Carlos and Ryron Gracie. These guys, they're wearing gis, 90 years old. Like me, I'm gonna be wearing a gi at 90 years old. You guys. Thank you. Good to be in Thailand. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Yeah. Happy new moments. Right? Don't get too excited about the new year. It's a new moment. What are we going to do tomorrow differently? Control. Defend. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Left and base. Some kind of grace.